We're right now at LaGuardia Airport, New York in Terminal B, and we're going to give you a quick tour. Let's walk through it and see what's new.
All right, we are here at LaGuardia Airport. This is Terminal B. And we actually made a video here about 2 years ago of Terminal B. So we'll show you a little bit of our experience because things have changed. Wow. This has to be better than JFK. What do you think, Alia?
It is beautiful.
Right? And I remember like nothing changed here. We're going to refer to our old video that we made here, but we're going to go search for Frontier. I think that whole section is new. Remember the last time we were here, we saw this giant mural. I mean, it's an incredible terminal. It's shocking that this is LaGuardia. So that is security coming up. We're going to put the camera down. We're going to pick you guys up when we go inside. Those are fake balloons, but part of decoration. And check this out. We are in a duty-free shop at LaGuardia. Oh yeah, this feels like international airport
it has
vibe.
A proper airport feel.
Yeah. 2 for $5 Aquafina. That's actually a very good price for airport water.
That's what I was just thinking.
Like it's typically $3.99 or $2.99. Yeah, that's not an airport price to have sweatshirts.
Sweatshirts are
I think that's after
50% off.
$19.99 is after 50% off, but still very good price for an airport. So a lot of New York merch. You can see the Times Square merch in the back. And then on the other side is duty free with watches, sunglasses, and perfumes. And you can see the water fountain. We're making this video just to kind of show everybody this is LaGuardia.
It has a whole new vibe to it, and we are loving it.
Look, have you ever seen people dancing, looking, taking pictures at the airport?
You have music, you have water fountain dancing on the music, and LCD display show.
That's very neat.
Yay! The new LaGuardia this is where your vacation starts. The airport is amazing. Now let's quickly show you what else the airport is offering. Food-wise, you have breakfast sandwiches, burgers at the Juniors. Then there's a pizza parlor, Tony's and Benny's. Right next to it is Mexican burrito bowls, salads, tacos, and then you have your usual fast food Wendy's, Kate Spade, and some bay shops. Then back to food, you have Starbucks for your coffee, some more clothing stores, and all the way on this side is Dunkin' with Ellie's Essentials.
And right behind Alia is Zaro's, Greenleaf's, and Hill Country. And further this side is Telde Noodle Bar. There are plenty of options.
A lot of good options and very well laid out, neat, clean seating. Everything is new, beautiful. We are right now heading to the lounge. If we weren't, this place is a heaven.
We do remember coming here, and the video we make, there were not as many restaurants and shops open. Now there's like tons more open. Fun fact, you would always only see lines at the Dunkin'. So Dunkin' and Starbucks, typically one of the most popular places that you can go to at even a fancy, I'm going to call it fancy airport like LaGuardia. Even Hudson is branching out. Look at this cool Madison Avenue Market.
Look at the labels. It is actually very cool and fancy.
It feels like you're in Madison Avenue. If this was just a Hudson store, it would be like blue or whatever. Even like the sweatshirt, like the quality of it, it's different than your typical souvenir shop. So Yeah.
And again, very reasonably priced. Like for sweatshirts, this is a very good price, especially at an airport.
Yeah, this would be like $40 at a different airport. So just to kind of give you an idea, that's where all the shops are. There's Mulberry Street here. There's additional restaurants and seating area. There's also new types of vending machines like iStore, cosmetics. Like, look, you can buy lipsticks and electronics. Covers all areas. That's exit. And so we're going to head over, find our gate, and hopefully you guys can come back and check our tour of Chase Sapphire Reserve Lounge. This is your Spirit and Bell by DNC. There are tons of maps for Terminal B. Also, it has your taxi times. So if you want to go to Midtown Manhattan, it's 21 minutes. I don't know if you can see that, but like these screens are extremely helpful for people arriving at LaGuardia.
Something that we haven't mentioned or talked about so far, very unlike us, are these high glass ceilings all the way up with amazing runway views meant for plane spotting. And then you can see most of the restaurants are lined up here with nice seating, so you can get your meal and you can enjoy the views.
Okay, right next to Centurion is your Chase Sapphire Reserve Lounge. We're gonna head in there, but make sure you come back before we go check out Brooklyn Diner. The lounge is underground, so there's no views of the planes. If you're like us and you love aircrafts, you're going to miss out on looking at those aircrafts, but it's a quick hideaway. Now we are back to all gates. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for the picture. The diner is here. There's a long walkway that will take you to the gates, and there's more stuff on the gates. Now, to look at shops and restaurants, this map is extremely helpful. Our shops, restaurants, quick dining, lounges, which are right next to us, so Chase Sapphire Reserve and Amex, and amenities. They have meditation room, family restroom, nursing room, pet relief area, and 4 restrooms lined up in this area. So it's an incredible design. I'm gonna say this is my favorite airport terminal, even better than JFK Terminal 4. The Brooklyn Diner, you can check out here. There's a long bridge here on either sides. You can check out aircrafts leaving and coming. This is a plane spotting heaven. Last time we were here, there were no sofas. Now they have put sofas with charging stations. So you can sit there, charge your phone, check out the views. This is definitely my favorite airport.
It is.
And
high ceilings,
ceilings.
bright, open, big windows. Views everywhere.
Yeah, I can't think of another airport that has this type of a walkway anywhere in the world that we have experienced. Right below Alia or behind Alia, you can see all the aircrafts. So they have Southwest and JetBlue parked at the gates. There's a sign, gates 40 to 59. Now, if you want a little bit more detailed tour, there's another video on our channel where you can check out Terminal B in detail. But on this one, it's a very short tour because we got a flight to catch. There are more airport lounges down below. There's also tons more restaurants and shops on either side. So what's new is this area. There's United Club here, restrooms, and the Panorama Bar and Lounge. That was not open 2 years ago when we came here. On one side are gates 45, 46 on that side, and then 48 through 57 is on the other side. FAO Shorts, In Motion, a whole bunch of other shops and restaurants. Look at that, District Market. But for us, today we're gonna head over in this direction. By the way, I just saw a Shake Shack sign on one side, Italian kitchen, there's Hudson, La Chula. Oh, Frontier is boarding. Hopefully you got to see a little bit of the airport. And what we didn't cover, that's in the other video, is
Yeah.
all the places on the other side of that walkway. But next time. I hope it helps everybody pick LaGuardia over JFK or Newark. Come here, check out Terminal B, make sure your flight leaves from here. With that, we're going to catch you guys in the
Next one.
bye for now.
Bye.